box challenge part 2. And today we have Cora from the first part.
Hi.
So I'm gonna be going first, so let's get to it. But
So this is Sam's first item. Don't open your eyes.
wait up.
Hey, you can open your eyes.
It's right here. Is that? Yogurt?
Yeah.
Okay, here's Cora's item. Cora, did you just see it?
Oh, now I did.
Cora!
You told me to.
No! Okay, this is Cora's item. Since you saw the other one, we're doing it again. Okay, open your eyes.
Okay, I'm scared.
Oh.
I'm really scared.
Watch
Stop it.
out! You might have to feel back. It went back.
Ew, what is that? What is that?
Oh, they do that on TV.
Where'd it go? No. Ew.
Guess.
Is that cheese on a stick?
Nope. It's a junior mint on a toothpick.
How is that supposed to work?
Okay, my turn.
Sam's
Okay.
next thing is in the
I
box.
feel like the messes are just.
Well, I was thinking we would take these to the park.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I can't reach.
Here.
So you guys are barbecuing? Yes.
It's an egg for Easter with no plastic.
Yeah.
Aw.
Yeah.
I need my little egg.
That was easy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
Here.
Okay, Cora's next item. Open.
Oh no.
Zoom in.
What kind of food is gonna be there?
Ooh.
Plant?
I don't know.
Kinda.
Yeah,
Yes, technically.
yeah, it is. It's parsley.
Oh, parsley.
Bring something to drink.
Oh,
Alright guys,
I got
that'll be
it,
it for
right?
the video. Hope you enjoyed
What
it.
is this,
Smash that
Ranger?
subscribe button, like this video, comment down below when you did that.
Italian
and
dish?
share it. So see you in the next video. Bye.